start with that earthquake that shook millions of San Diegans who checked on their loved ones to make sure they were all okay.
Such a waste of good whiskey.
Yeah, and you know, this earthquake was particularly loud. This is video here from inside a liquor store in Julian. Caught the moment the magnitude 5.2 quake rocked the county on Monday morning. Epicenter was just 2.5 miles southeast of Julian in the community of Pine Hills.
And then we all got to play my favorite social media game. Did you feel it? ABC 10 News was live, bringing you minute-by-minute updates just moments after the shaking stopped. Viewers sent in some amazing video capturing what it looked like at their homes and businesses. People as far away as LA County reported they felt the shaking, and the U.S. Geological Survey says there were 10 aftershocks in the 3 hours following the quake. Those range from 2.5 to 4.0. So far, there are no reports of any serious damage or injuries. The quake was strong enough, though, as you saw, to shake some things off of shelves and send some rocks careening onto the roads.
ABC 10 News reporter Laura Acevedo went to Julian to check out some of the mess.
We're in the back room of this liquor store, and it still smells of alcohol from all of the bottles that shattered here when this quake hit. The bottles have been cleaned up, but if you look over here, you can still see some of that liquor spilled all over the ground. Now, the epicenter of this quake was just about 2.5 miles away. This was the scene after a 5.2 earthquake rocked Julian and most of Southern California Monday morning. The epicenter just about 2 miles away from this liquor store.
Whiskey, scotch, an assortment of different bottles.
Bottles thrown off the shelves in the back room.
My first thought was just like hands over head, and I was staying in the bathroom for like a good 10 seconds.
A few businesses away, the pictures on the wall still crooked from the shake.
Boom, 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 boom. Loud. Like thunder loud.
Angela Barrios was working at the deli inside the Julian market at the time of the earthquake. The jolt so powerful it knocked out their Wi-Fi.
So a lot of his antique vintage Coke bottles fell and broke. Some of the wine fell off the shelves here, some of our cold beverages.
And over at Miner's Diner, the owner and manager were talking about this when the shaking started.
I know it sounds insane, but we were actually talking about our earthquake insurance policy for some reason.
The diner has dozens of things on displays on the second story, including a train that runs throughout the shop. Miraculously, nothing fell except some plastic cups captured here on this surveillance video.
This is, since I've been here since 2001, I've never felt one like this because it was only 3 miles away.
After being up here for hours, the most common phrase I heard from people is people talking about how this earthquake was nothing like they've ever felt before. Now, aside from those broken alcohol bottles that we saw in my story, so far we have not heard about any other extensive damage. Reporting in Julian, Laura Acevedo, ABC 10 News.
And San Diego City Hall is back open this morning. The city closed the downtown building after that earthquake yesterday to allow crew members to inspect the building for any damage. Thankfully, they didn't find anything wrong with the building. City employees, however, they were asked to work from home after the earthquake, and the city council was forced to hold its meeting at the San Diego Civic Theater.
It was always kind of fun to look at the science behind these quakes. Monday, ABC 10 News anchor Kimberly Hunt spoke with Dr. Pat Abbott, who's an earthquake expert and professor at San Diego State. He explained why this one shook things up as far away as L.A.
We've been looking at the Elsinore fault zone area, and explain to us why it was felt throughout San Diego, Orange County, and into L.A. Such a wide swath.
Indeed it is, but we're talking about a movement some almost 9 miles deep. And the earth is going to tear along about a 2/3 of a mile long interval and move like 2 feet. But the movement, the west side, moves towards the north. So to the left side of that red line, the energy is directed to the north. So they feel more on the north than people would feel on the south. So for us here in San Diego, we're closer, but the energy was directed towards LA, so it really spread out the number of people who significantly felt it.
Governor Gavin Newsom says his office is keeping a close eye on the aftermath. The state is also coordinating with San Diego authorities to assess the damage to things like roads and bridges. And if you've experienced or seen any extensive damage in your community, the city of San Diego wants people to report it through the Get It Done app.
And don't forget, you can get news alerts on our website, 10news.com. Also, our free app, it is available to download in the App Store.